So next, conductance of the solution can be expressed in three ways. So conductance can be expressed in three ways. That is specific conductance. Specific conductance. This is also called as conductivity. Conductivity. Okay, specific conductance or conductivity, which is the reciprocal of specific resistance. Okay, so this is a symbol represented by K. Symbol represented by K. Okay, and second one is molar conductance. Molar conductance. This is symbol is mu. And the third equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance term. Right? This is a symbol for equivalent conductance. Sometimes they can write like this. Okay. Mu molar conductance. Sometimes it is also represented as like this, molar conductance. Okay. So like this. Now we will discuss about specific conductance. First one we will discuss about specific conductance. What is the specific conductance? So specific conductance is the conductivity, the conductance of the electrolytic solution. The conductance of electrolytic solution about 1 centimeter cubic volume. So it is conductance of electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution of volume okay, 1 centimeter cube. That is in the case of in CGS units, or 1 meter cube in the case of SI units. Okay, so the electrolytic solution which is having the value 1 centimeter cube or 1 meter cube, so that solution conductance is called as a specific conductance or conductivity. Okay, now conductivity, right? So then the specific conductance and molar conductance and equivalent conductance are they are related. So now we will discuss second one is molar conductance. Molar conductance. Molar conductance. So molar conductance is the conductance of the electrolytic solution which is having 1 gram mole of electrolyte. 1 gram mole of electrolyte conductance. The conductance of electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution of 1 gram mole. 1 gram mole. Ante in the conductivity cell, in between the 1 unit area containing electrolytic plates, they are separated by 1 unit. In that we have to take 1 gram mole of electrolyte, then its conductance is called as a molar conductance. Molar conductance we have discussed in electrolytic conductivity cell. There is a 2 electrolytic plates, so the distance between 2 plates is 1 unit and area is also 1 unit. Now in this if we take 1 gram mole of electrolyte, in this if we take 1 gram mole of electrolyte, 1 gram mole of electrolyte, then its conductance is called molar conductance. Its conductance is called molar conductance. So molar conductance is related with specific conductance in the manner K into kappa. K mean kappa. Here K also called as kappa by molarity. Okay, these are related like this. Okay, so this is the molar conductance. And next third one is equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance is the symbol is this. So here equivalent conductance. Also the conductance of electrolytic solution of 1 gram mole, 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte present in this. Okay na? Same in the conductivity cell, separated by 1 unit distance. Okay na? And area of cross section of the plates are 1 unit. Then if we place in this the electrolyte which is having 1 gram equivalent, 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte if we place, then the conductance of that solution is called equivalent conductance. So conductance of solution of 1 gram equivalent, 1 gram equivalent. 1 gram equivalent ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రోలైటిక్ సొల్యూషన్ యొక్క కండక్టెన్స్ను మనము దే ఆర్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ద 1 unit distance and 1 unit cross sectional area of the plates. Okay, that is the equivalent conductance. So the equivalent conductance also related like this, kappa into 1000 by normality. Here why we are saying normality, molarity? Generally for electrolytic solutions, acid solutions, base solutions and salt solutions, the concentration we can express it in the way of normality and molarity. So this is the normality and equivalent conductance. This is the molarity and molar conductance. And if you see the units, so units for kappa, for K, units for K mean what? Specific conductance, that is Siemens centimeter inverse or Siemens meter inverse. This is SI units, this is CGS units. And for molar conductance mu K, the units are, if you take Siemens centimeter square and mole inverse. Siemens, S means Siemens centimeter square or mole inverse. Okay, otherwise in SI units Siemens meter square and mole inverse. This is the case of for molar conductance. Okay, and also for equivalent conductance units, for equivalent conductance equal to Siemens centimeter square equivalent inverse. This is the case of CGS unit. In SI units Siemens meter square and equivalent inverse. And the relation between molarity, molar conductance and normality and normal equivalent conductance. So that is mu into molarity equal to equivalent conductance into normality. Okay, this is the relation. And if for some salts, univalent mean one valence. Univalent salts like NaCl, okay, and KCl and cesium chloride, these are univalent salts. For these salts normality equal to molarity. Okay, for these salts normality equal to molarity. So if normality equal to molarity, then therefore their molar conductance equal to equivalent conductance. Mu equal to equivalent, molar conductance equal to equivalent conductance అవుతుంది for the case of univalent salts, right? So now specific conductance of the electrolytic solution depends on nature of electrolyte. Okay na? Nature of electrolyte means generally strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. Strong electrolytes mean they can more percentage, more than 30% they will be ionized. Okay na? They will be gives ions, more ions. And weak electrolytes mean they can be ionized less extent, less than 30% they can be ionized. Okay, so the specific conductance depends on nature of electrolyte. Okay, now